Losing weight doesn't have to feel overwhelming. It's about making small, sustainable changes that fit into your life. Let's break it down into simple steps. First, focus on your diet. Weight loss isn't about eating less, it's about eating right. Start by reducing highly processed foods like sugary snacks, sodas, and fast food. Replace them with nutrient-dense options like fresh vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins such as chicken, fish, or plant-based alternatives.
Portion control is essential too.
A simple trick is to use smaller plates or measure your servings. Try filling half your plate with vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and the remaining quarter with whole grains like brown rice or quinoa. Second, stay active. Exercise doesn't have to mean spending hours at the gym. For beginners, start with something you enjoy, like walking, dancing, or swimming. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week. This could be just 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. Strength training a couple of times a week can also help build muscle and boost your metabolism. Hydration is another often overlooked factor. Drinking water not only keeps you hydrated, but can also reduce hunger and improve digestion. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and try drinking a glass before meals to prevent overeating. Sleep is just as important. Studies show that getting 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night can help regulate your appetite and energy levels. Poor sleep can lead to increased cravings and make sticking to healthy habits harder. Lastly, mindset is everything. Instead of thinking about what you can eat or do, focus on adding more of the good stuff. Celebrate small wins, like choosing water over soda or taking the stairs instead of the elevator. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Weight loss takes time, so be patient and kind to yourself. Don't be afraid to seek support from friends, family, or even online communities. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to a healthier, happier you. Start today, you've got this.